Hello everyone. Today, I will explain how to unlock the BFP.50 sidearm in Battlefield 2042. The first challenge is to get 60 kills with sidearms. This means you can use pistols like the G57 or the M44 Magnum. Just play normally and focus on close-range fights. Modes like Breakthrough or Conquest on smaller maps are perfect because you will constantly run into enemies. Once you hit 60 kills, you are halfway done. The second challenge is trickier. You need to destroy vehicles while getting kills with the M44 Magnum. This is where most people run into problems. The easiest method is to go into a solo co-op game against bots. Choose Breakthrough or Conquest on a map that has plenty of vehicles, such as Hourglass or Kaleidoscope. Then make sure you equip C5 explosives along with the M44 Magnum. When the match begins, look for an enemy vehicle. Run up to it and plant 3 C5 charges on the vehicle. After placing them, switch to your M44 Magnum. Shoot one of the C5 charges with your pistol. This will trigger all of them to explode at once, destroying the vehicle. Since the final action came from the M44, the game will count this as a vehicle destruction tied to your pistol. This completes the requirement for the second challenge. After you finish both challenges, the BFP.50 will unlock automatically, and you can equip it from the secondary weapons tab in your collection. Thanks for watching.